uh, Notion AI actions. So these are basically, if there's a text in your Notion page, you can open the AI Assist window with various AI actions by pressing spacebar or Ctrl J. And what it does is that it helps you do is that you can also select, okay, it helps you to actually take some of these actions here. So let me try with this text now, with this text here. And then I ask AI to, these are some of the actions here. I can ask AI to summarize this for me. So in Notion, you can access AI actions by pressing spacebar or Ctrl J, which allows you to edit specific text or the entire page. That's the summary. So I can ask it to make it longer, and it has made it longer. The same thing, but it's made it longer. I can tell it to continue writing. It's too short. It's writing. Great. It's still writing. Okay. Okay, let me stop it. So, yeah, let me insert below. So this is the longer version of this short sentence here. The same idea, but it's made it longer. So this is how powerful Notion AI is. So this is for the actions, and then here are some actions here that you can actually work with. So you can ask Notion AI to continue writing like I've just shown you. You can ask it to summarize anything. So if you have like a very long message from someone and you don't have the time to read, but you want to understand what the person is talking about, you can just copy the message, come to Notion, ask Notion AI to summarize the message, and then find action points, action items. So just in case your supervisor in your company or is asking you to do something, and then he or she sends a very long task to work on, you can just highlight that long message and ask Notion AI to give you to find the action items. And then let me find, I think I can find, okay, I don't have a very long text here. I would have shown you how it works, but I'll show you later. So you can ask Notion AI to translate to any language. You can ask Notion AI to explain anything. You can ask Notion AI to improve writing. Say you're not confident about what you wrote, you want to, improve the writing. Notion AI can actually do that. You can fix spelling and grammar, and then you can make something longer, an article longer, or make it shorter. You can turn a complex statement into simpler language. Then you can change the tone to make it sound professional, casual, straightforward, confident, or friendly. So these are some actions that you can actually carry out on Notion AI. So let me carry out one action. So I'll ask AI to change the tone of these statements to sound friendly. And this is it. Sounds friendly. Now hi there. If you already have text in Notion page, you can easily open Notion AI Assist and that. So yeah, let me discard this. This is on Notion Action. So let's move to the next page, the next session, which is Notion AI Conversations. So it's kind of similar to the actions, but it's different. So in Notion AI Conversations, Notion AI actually engages in conversations with users on each page, utilizing the information on the page to generate responses. So let's do the same thing, the same thing we can see in this screenshot. So I asked for social media content ideas for an online food business, but let me ask for another business. So give me 5 social media content ideas for an online fashion store, or let's not do this, for an online delivery company. 5. Okay, let's wait. So here are 5 social media content ideas for an online delivery company, and I click done. Okay, so I want to continue this conversation with Notion AI, and for this first social media content idea, which is like showcase new products or menu items that are available for delivery, uh, let's do this one. Share customer reviews and feedback to build trust with potential customers. Okay, no, let's not do that. Let's do this exclusive discounts. So I can highlight this and ask Notion AI to find action items. How can I achieve this? So give me action items to achieve this. So this is it. So offer exclusive discounts or promotions to follow us on social media. Let me insert this below. So now I have action items. I don't know how to achieve this, right, in real life on my social media page, but I can ask Notion AI to give me an example, give me 3 examples for this social media idea. Okay, so 3 examples of exclusive discounts or promotions to offer followers on social media are a limited time discounts code for new customers, giveaway contest, loyalty program. Okay, let me insert this below, and then I can continue the conversation. I can continue the conversation on this other one now and say, okay, let me highlight this and say, write, create a social media, create 3 social media content for this content idea. Great. All right, so let's move forward. So I've shown you how the conversations part of Notion AI works, and you can actually implement this yourself. So basically what it does is that, what it helps you do is that from one question you ask Notion, you can actually ask more questions based on the response you get from Notion AI. So let's move to the next section.